bright-eyed, watching TV and dancing. A whole 8 months old. Her a big girl. You big girl. Where's Aria? Looking for big sister. That one got you. Yeah, hold my hand.
Aria.
She said Aria. Yeah. 8 months old can say her sister's name. I think you're gonna walk next. You're already talking. Say Aria. Say tell everybody bye-bye. Avery. Avery. Bye-bye. Tell everybody something. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. Come up to Grandma. You want to say bye-bye? Or you want to say Aria? Say, my big sister's name's Aria. She's 9 years old. Say, she went to camp, and that's what I'm looking for. Say Aria. Where's Aria? You going to say it again? You always do, don't you? You precious little girl. Don't fall. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, 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 bye. There she says bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Hi. Yeah. I'll hold your hand. Baby. Avery. Okay, Avery. What you doing? Yeah, you're a good girl. You want my camera? Your grandma's camera? Here, you can have the camera case. There you go. There you go. You can play with that. I better zip it up first, though. Stay here, sweetie.
I tried to get as much as done. I was cleaning as much as I could before I got here, but Matt came and he said,